Hi guys, it's Pillar1 here, and today we're going to be showcasing all of my fidgets. Or I'm going to be showcasing all of my fidgets. So let's get on with it. So, well, in the poppet category, I have this pretty sweet poppet. This is the quiet side. This is the loud side. Next I have this really cool purple poppet. This is the quiet side. This is the loud side. Then I've also got this cool Running Among Us tie-dye poppet. And this is the quiet side. This is the loud side. And lastly, with the poppets, I have my mega poppet. Although it does have a hole because my friend accidentally did that. But it's like a cool thing where you can like hang it. Okay. This is the quiet side, I think. I can't actually even hear it. And this is the loud side. But what I like to do is just put it down and then run my finger along it. Doesn't really work that well, but it does usually. It's not working now though. I don't know what that was, but okay, that's the last of my poppets. Moving on the side. I don't know what I should go through next. Okay. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, could you take a bite? It's time if it's going to let it go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Okay, I guess we're going with the water. Like, I'm just gonna call this a wand for now. But it does this. The thing that it does, it reminds me of like a stick where you can go, ooh, Jesus, ooh, nearly hit my head. So, yeah. I've learnt some tricks with it. Jesus Christ. It's pretty easy. But yeah. Next is, think is this small bit of wacky track that I found on the floor like a few days ago. And of course you wanna know, or I'm guessing you wanna know what a wacky track is. But yeah, this thing's pretty sick. And especially since it's like quite a big fragment that I found on the floor. I think someone must have dropped it. I'm gonna go with eeny, meeny, miny, moe again. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch you, tag a vice, tie it, if it screams, let it go, eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Okay. Next, we've got this, pea popper. Hola! Like, they just pop out, and yeah. Then we have this cat mochi. Oh. He's jumping everywhere. I just threw it at my wall like a throwing knife. And his name is John Cena. Can you? That's it. Right there. Oh, look at that. Oh, what is this? What is this thing? Why is it up there? Probably because I threw it. I mean, it's pretty obvious. But next, I've got this cool magnet thing. So you can like take the balls off and throw them on, and they stick. Prove that they're all magnetic. Oh. Stop going in a line, just stick to the thing. There. See? And then what you can do is you can like push it down and just roll it around, pull bits off and throw them on. I use this for usually sculpting things, but I've had it on a shelf for like a few days now. So. And lastly, I have a new fidget pad. As you can see, there are like buttons that you can press. You've got this Joy-Con or whatever you want to call it. Then you've got this thing. I don't know what it's used for, but I mean, I always use it. I don't know what it is. But then on the other side, we've got this switch. And then I've got this rolling thing. I don't know what that's used for. But then on the sides, we have like these roll things. You can see that. And we've got another one on the other side. I find this one more amusing because it like massages your fingers in a way. But, I mean, yes. Okay. So, yeah guys. Bye.